So raw milk is good, but you know what's even better?
Ice cream.
So let's make some.
To start off, we're going to need 2 gallons of raw milk that's been sitting in the fridge for about a day so that the cream has had time to rise to the top of the jar. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, we'll scoop off 2 cups of cream. If raw milk isn't available to you, you can also just use regular heavy cream and whole milk. Next, we need 1½ cups of whole milk, ½ cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 6 egg yolks. To separate the yolks from the white, just crack the egg and let the whites fall through your fingers while holding the yolk. Some people prefer to use the eggshells to separate the yolks from the whites, and that works too. I just find it a little bit easier personally to keep the yolks from breaking when I'm using my fingers. At this point, there's 2 options depending on how you feel about raw eggs in your ice cream. You can just toss all the ingredients in a blender or food processor and mix until well combined, or you can cook the egg yolks, heavy cream, and milk over medium heat on the stove until it reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure to whisk constantly so that the eggs stay nice and smooth. Then pop it in the fridge to cool down before adding the maple syrup and vanilla, and then churning. At this point, we just toss the mixture into the ice cream maker according to its directions and let it churn for 20 to 30 minutes or until it looks like ice cream. We'll leave a link in the description to the ice cream maker we use, but if you're not interested in buying one and still want to make ice cream, don't worry. We'll be posting a non-churn recipe soon. And there you have it, a super simple vanilla ice cream. But ice cream is all about having fun with the flavors and different things you mix in, so let's try a couple of the flavors. First up, blueberry lavender cheesecake. Starting out with the same vanilla base, I'm just adding about a ½ tablespoon of lavender extract and 1½ cups of blueberries that I cooked on the stovetop for a few minutes. I also cut up some cream cheese into small chunks and attempted to add them as the ice cream was churning, but well, you can see how that went. And there you go. Once that's finished churning, you have a delicious blueberry lavender ice cream, perfect for summer. Lastly, and my personal favorite of the flavors we're making today, peanut butter brownie. Again, just using the same vanilla recipe as our base, and adding chocolate chips while it's churning. Once it's done, I'm going to start layering it in the container, drizzle some peanut butter over top and swirl it in with a knife or a toothpick, add some brownie pieces, another layer of ice cream, and top it off with more peanut butter, chocolate chips, and brownie pieces. And there you go. Still have more raw milk left over that you need to use up? Check out this video right here where we show you how to make homemade yogurt. Thanks for watching.